Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be unboxing a Polar Aurora canister filter and do our initial impressions on it. So let's get started. Cutting towards myself, like you should never do. Here's the... Oh. First ever unboxing video. Well, let's get the accessories out. We'll set them down over here. And then put this tape to the box. Get rid of that. And here's the filter itself. Power cable. Box we can get rid of. Okay, so let's take a look into the blank white accessory box here. This is where we have our little information booklet. Here we have our activated charcoal right here. We have our green tubing. We got the nozzle connectors for the filter, and then all the plumbing tubes needed. The filter itself covered in bubble wrap, so let's get that opened up. It's actually smaller than I thought it would be. For some reason I thought it'd be big, but we're putting it on a 36-gallon bow front, so that should be enough. It's more than filtration than we actually need. So here's the filter itself. It actually looks pretty decent. It doesn't have any branding on it, but for 50 bucks, I mean, hey. And it's our first canister filter we've put on an aquarium yet. Just to fill these up. These come up and let go, and then we can pull it up. And the top of the filter comes off. Set that down right there. We have our initial basket thing. Then we have our first tray right here, which has filter floss, foam in there, and then ceramic media. So let's put this in here so we know how it went back together. Here we have second tray, more filter floss, and then we have like these bio ball type of things. Those were the second tray. We'll put those under there. And then we have our third tray that just has the filter foam, the floss, and then there's under it there's a blue coarser sponge, so we can get it out. And then you have on top the white like filter floss. We'll put that back in. Get her put back together. So what I'm gonna do now is get the Canister corner filter out of there and get the media going in here. And I'll probably just help prime the filter. I'll fill it with water. I don't remember which cable was the Canister filter. That one. So I'm gonna. It has really good suction cups on the Canister corner filter, so I can always never get it off easily. The spray bar or Aqueon heater. I'm just gonna take all of that and toss it over here for now. Let me just get this heater off of here. Actually caught a lot of dirt for a little corner filter. that out of here. I'll put the media in there. Get the suction cup part off. They're very strong suction cups. Best I've seen. Let's see, will this fit in here? Yeah. Prime the canister, just make life a little easier. I think that'll be enough. The rest I'll prime it with the prime button. I'm thinking we're almost ready to close it up here.
2 hours later.
So we got the hoses on, got the water drained a little to put some in the canister. Now I'm just gonna fit the, suction cup fell off, fit the tubing into the tank, the inlet and outlet. So I think we can move that. These, I think, are secure, shouldn't leak water, everything's sealed. So we can move canister filter into its position under the cabinet. Luckily it fits through the opening here. Takes up quite a lot of room under here. That is the out. This is inlet, so let's get it untied.
6.5 hours later.
That little clamp piece. On there. It sits on there like that. Keep the tube on. That's alright. In. Let's get her out. Now we're gonna slide this piece over here. Get it back here. So we're gonna set that back in place to see. This will sit here and won't go anywhere. And now let's get the intake up to the other side. Hopefully my GoPro battery's okay, not dying. To remove these pieces again. Let's clamp her down. And that's on there, shouldn't go anywhere. Stick piece. Move the filter a little bit over. The filter here. For now. I'll have to do a water change so I can adjust things to where they need to be. I think we're ready to prime it, see if we can get water flowing. Yep, we got water. Air's coming out. Yep. I don't see any leaks anywhere for now, so that's good. Yep, water flows through it, so I think we're ready to turn it on for the first time. This is the cable. So, quick change of background as life's happening in the basement downstairs, but I got the canister filter all hooked up. It all seems to be going well, no leaks, it's filtering, so now we'll have to just wait for that filter to establish itself, put in some beneficial bacteria to help boost it, and put the little baggie of biomedia that we had in there previously. But, so it seems all good. We'll do an update later and a review once we see how well the filter works. You might be wondering what's all the noise behind me. It's actually 3D printers. So during spring break at home, I've been 3D printing masks for hospitals and face shields. So I'll do a video on that real quick. That'll be our next video after this fish video. So thank you for watching, and hope you liked the video. Subscribe and stick around for the next video coming soon. So thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.